Hello everyone, John here with Shooting Tips and Tricks, and today we're going to be doing a couple of tactical exercises. So what do we have planned today?
Today we're going to do multiple target acquisition with a tactical transfer. We're going to have 3 targets, get 10 rounds, each target gets hit once, then we're going to transition to our sidearm, 10 rounds, 1 each target. Ready? That's how it's done.
All right.
This exercise is a tactical moving drill. 2 shots per target, called out by the instructor. Ready?
Move. Double threat. Threat. Double threat. Threat.
All right, this drill is a speed reload drill. 2 targets, 20 yards out, 2 shots per target. Ready? That's that.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Alright, for the last drill, we're going to do a shoot and move drill, high barricade, offside and onside with the speed reload. Ready?
Well, I think that's about it for this video. Now, as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.